Hello from the blob mirror. Jared, my husband, told me that today I'm Daisy in the Six. If anybody's not watching that show, you need to. I got a little 70s thing going and I'm here to bring you motivation. A little secret, this video is for you, but it's also for me. You know that feeling of like, I know I want to be motivated. I am unhappy with what I'm currently doing, but then you just still feel stuck. Like you still feel like, where do I start? Maybe you've picked up so many bad habits or habits you're not super proud of, like staying up late or snacking at night. Hey, it's me. And maybe there's so much you want to do, so much you want to change, and you just don't know why. Why are you not doing it? Like, why are you not doing the things that are going to move the needle? I think consistency is great, but then sometimes you get so consistent that then you're doing the same old and you're not really trying new things. You get bored. You know, one healthy snack turns into like 10. Because that's kind of my problem. I wouldn't say that like I eat a lot of junk. My portion sizes have definitely gotten bigger, especially like we make a lot of pastas. My daughter loves pasta. I started with being aware of my serving sizes and all of that to then just not even having leftovers the next day, because me and Jared would devour all of the pasta. And even though there was like vegetables in it, like we would just not feel good at the end of the day. And my husband Jared is super sensitive. He overeats, he just does not feel good. So he's kind of been dealing with that. And for me, the way things will manifest will be sluggish, feeling tired in the afternoon, just like not feeling my best. I'm also currently making a matcha. I make one every single day. And the only things I use to season it, flavor it, is ground cinnamon, which is anti-inflammatory but also tastes amazing, and maple syrup. I'm adding a little bit of maple syrup. I read so many health benefits of matcha, but I also personally really like the taste of it. And an afternoon iced coffee was also adding to not feeling motivated, just not feeling good, as well as, there's another one, here's another kicker, a glass of wine with dinner. It's important to identify the things that aren't working for us in order to feel better. It's sort of like the tough love you need to have with yourself of like, hey, right now you're currently mad about the results you don't have, but you didn't do the work. The first step is everything. Nobody asked, but can I just show you what a vibe? Look at these. Since I met my husband, he told me I was born in the wrong decade. And even though we like to say we don't know where to start, we don't know what to do, we all know that if we want to lose weight or get into shape or feel better, it's going to be the combination of the two things. It's going to be eating well and working out. So it brings me to my first tip: commit, especially if you are new or if you're just starting back up again and you're getting out of a rut, and maybe this week is going to be your first week or next week's going to be the week one. Commit to 2 workouts a week. Just start there. Commit to 2 workouts a week. There was a time I was working out every single day. There was a time that I was only working out once a week. There was a time when I was skipping workouts altogether and not working out any time a week. I love to try new things. I was doing a weightlifting class, which I really loved. It was like HIIT. It was like cardio weightlifting. I really loved it, and I'm probably gonna go back. But right now I'm back to doing Pilates. And that's just kind of how I am. I go in and out of things of what's motivating me at the time. The class is an infrared class, which is amazing for your skin. It's also done in 100 degrees. Okay, so I just got done. Look, well, actually you can't really tell. I was gonna say, look how sweaty I am, but they give you these like eucalyptus towels, and I just wiped myself down. But anyway, it's such a great way to start. Today is currently Monday morning. I hope I inspire you guys to go on a workout, because even if you aren't working out the rest of the week, at least you started off the week right. And it really does inspire me to eat healthy the rest of the day. And what a way to start the week. Like, if you're gonna work out any day of the week and implement 2 workouts a week, at least do Monday and like Thursday, so you at least get like the end of the week too. One thing that I feel like always draws me back to Pilates is 2.5 years ago, I had Violet, my daughter, so this area definitely has changed. My mom always told me this would happen. She's like, once you have a baby, your ab area does change, and that my mom always swore by Pilates. Since I was a kid, my mom did Pilates, and she said that's how you tighten it back up. Number 2. This one I feel like we all struggle with, and it's because we just don't know. We don't know how powerful our words are and what we're thinking. We all have heard the slogan, thoughts become things. Once you realize your words mean something and thoughts become things, you will apply that to your health in the best way possible. You won't talk to yourself like, oh, you gained so much weight, oh my gosh. Once you realize how powerful your words are, you will stop doing that. This honestly goes with everything. I've talked about this in like the money sense before, of like, when you talk about how broke you are, you actually call more of that into your life. When you talk about how abundant you are, you call more of that into your life. Using better words to describe yourself, the better you'll feel and the better actions you will take. My third tip is one of my favorites, something I've been doing for so long, is after I've been a few weeks in, I'll treat myself with either a new workout set, which you guys saw in my workout part. Like, I literally just got that set active set, and getting used to treating yourself in ways that are going to benefit your health, like a Thrive Market box, like a workout set that you're going to wear to work out. This video is in collaboration with Thrive Market. I've been using Thrive Market for so long now. Actually, when I lived in LA, I went to their headquarters. Thrive Market is an online retail store and you can find literally everything there. The way you can actually search on Thrive Market is one of my favorite things about the brand. They have this search bar, so you can put in like organic, keto, gluten-free. Sometimes I'll even put in like kid snacks. My husband loves Thrive Market. And even though I ordered everything in here and I picked everything out, it's still always a treat when it shows up at my door. I'll show you guys what I got. So the first thing is chomps. These are the jalapeno beef sticks. I've tried a couple different chomps and these are my favorites. So it's kind of like beef jerky, but it's like a stick. The next thing I got, a lot of you guys know that follow me on Instagram, we make a lot of pesto pastas, and I will use tortellini, so it has cheese inside, so there's a little bit of protein. My daughter loves pesto pasta, so I got this. Oh, I got pesto, and I don't even have plans to make this tonight or anything, but I love like pantry stuffers and just like stuff to always have on hand. The next thing I got is candy. We are going to New York this weekend, and whenever I'm flying is when I crave candy. So I decided I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna put a couple in a little baggie and bring it on the plane, because stuff like this, you just need the little taste. You know what I mean? Like a little piece of dark chocolate and it will satisfy that like chocolatey taste. So these are called Cocoa Mel's, and they are the sea salt and dark chocolate. They are dairy free for anybody that is dairy free. I think they're made with coconut milk. Yeah, coconut milk. My daughter requested chips and salsa, and I love Thrive Market's organic salsa. A lot of salsas at like the grocery store, when they come in jars like this, they have so many ingredients on the back, and I'm just like, and we use salsa so many different ways. Yes, you can have it with chips, but I also like to add them to eggs. So when I'm trying to have a leaner breakfast in the morning, I'll have eggs and I'll pour salsa in there as well. This one was a request for my husband. He loved this. We got this another time, and it's the pipcorn truffle. We love anything truffle. I love like truffle salt, truffle seasoning. I actually remember seeing pipcorn on Shark Tank. And then the last thing I got was avocado oil, because I started learning more about like different smoke points. So I do use olive oil. I have it back there. But I was learning that different oils are better for different things. And some oils are better at a higher smoke point, and then some oils, if you're cooking on low heat, are better. So anyway, I found it all on Pinterest. If you want to like look it up, it has like a little chart of which oils are the best. And I saw avocado oil on there. And so I've been using Thrive Market for things like that. So yeah, just go on their website and browse. And Thrive Market does have 2 different membership options. They have the month to month if you just want to try it and see how you like it, and that comes to $12. Or you could do what I do, which is the annual membership, and that comes to $5 a month. So when you guys go to thrivemarket.com/SamOsproul, you guys can save 30% off your first order, and you'll get a free gift up to $60. And I will have the link and everything down below my description box. Okay, my 4th tip is to include more leafy greens in your diet, and not for the reason you think. A lot of you are gonna think, oh, she's telling us this because they're low calorie, or she's telling us this because everyone just says it, right? Everyone says, eat your leafy greens. One of my favorite books is called Manifest Now. I have it on audiobook. I love the author's voice. I just love listening to her. One of the chapters, I found this interesting because I've never heard law of attraction books talk about this, but one of the chapters, she talks about chlorophyll and how it's important. Add chlorophyll drops into your water, or eat foods with chlorophyll like dark leafy greens because it's going to make you feel more positive. And I thought, okay, so I just keep listening. Chlorophyll's job in plants is to absorb sunlight. So dark leafy greens contain chlorophyll. And she talks about how sunlight makes us happy and being outside makes us happy, and that there's a relationship to eating those foods because they contain chlorophyll, which soaks up all of the energy from sunlight. When you're first starting out in a diet, you're not gonna see results. You're not gonna see inches off your waist yet. You're not gonna see muscle definition yet. You're not gonna see the number on the scale go down right away. So you need something else to hold on to. And for me, it's that feeling. Like, you know, when you're first starting a diet, you either start feeling amazing or you feel depleted. And I want that amazing feeling. So I kind of went back to that book. I started making this romaine lettuce salad before every single meal. It's on the dinner table every single night. So I took this clip from a previous video where I filmed it. You can see I'm still in my old kitchen, but you want to use romaine lettuce because romaine is going to be nice and crunchy, and it will have chlorophyll properties in it because this is a nice leafy green. You want to add olive oil, lemon juice. Jared's parents are currently visiting and they can't get enough of the salad. They said it was so fresh tasting, and it's so simple. You guys are going to have all the ingredients on hand. Then you want to use grated Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, mix it all together, and that's it. It's perfect for a side salad. I didn't create this recipe, I found it on Instagram, but now we have it every single night, and even my daughter, who's 2.5, loves it. Except I tell her it's called crunchies instead of salad, but the greens are gonna make you feel really good and positive. Also, they are low calorie and will fill you up and are just overall good for your digestive system. My last tip is don't wait. Don't wait to wear the outfit till you lose weight. Don't wait to dress up and feel good and put your makeup on and put a cute outfit on. Don't save clothes for when you lose the weight. Just live your life now. I was listening to this video that said that saving things for another time is like a lack mindset. I thought about it. At first I didn't like it, but then I thought about it and I was like, wait, that's true. Like, I have some dresses where I'm like, you know what? Once I lose a little bit more lower belly fat, I'm gonna wear this. And it's like, but why? I bought it. Like, I bought it for a reason. There are clothes that you truly just won't feel good in, like they won't make you feel confident. Don't buy them. Like my grandma used to always say, buy for yourself now. Like, if you don't like the dress and you'll like it in the future, then don't buy it. If you don't like the bathing suit now, then don't buy it. Like, wear clothes that make you feel good now. And I feel like ever since I've made my closet more minimalist, like I can go in there with my eyes shut and pick out an outfit and I'm gonna like literally anything I choose. Whereas before, that wasn't really like my closet. Like, it'd be like, well, I don't really like this, I don't really like this, and it's like, okay, then why do you have it in your closet? That's everything I have for you guys today. Make sure to check out Thrive Market. I will leave my link down below so you guys can get 30% off your first order. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys soon.